Procolored L1800 DTF Printer Troubleshooting fixed. Method 1. Daily Maintenance. Step 1. Open your Procolored software and click the double arrow icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Right-click on the black space in the window, then click on Printer Preferences. Step 3. Click on the Maintenance tab, then select Head Cleaning. Step 4. Press the Start button and wait for the head cleaning process to end. Step 5. Click on Print Nozzle Check Pattern, then click on Print. Step 6. Do a deep analysis of the print quality and coloring. Step 7. Shake each ink sac tube with cartridges for 30 seconds. Step 8. Take a syringe, suck the ink from the white cartridge, then emit it into the ink bottle. Step 9. Return to your Procolored software, click Clean if needed, then click on Start again. Method 2. Once in a week maintenance. Step 1. Gather swabs, cloth, alcohol, and spare waste ink containers. Step 2. Check the waste ink container and replace it with a new one if needed. Step 3. Turn on the power button in the back. Step 4. Press the Start button and wait for the machine to do a boot self-test. Step 5. Press and hold the ink button for 5 seconds to start cleaning mode. Step 6. Move the print head to the middle and turn off the power button. Step 7. Clean the encore stripe with a clean cloth. Step 8. Pour some alcohol onto a cloth and wipe the platform. Step 9. Gently clean the waste ink system. Step 10. Push the waste ink system to the right and turn around the white blade to clean the opposite side. Step 11. Take a swab and clean the bottom part of the print head. Step 12. Again, turn the power switch on. Step 13. Restart the printer to reset the print head. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.